Welcome to the Digital Signature Certificate download module through EMClick. In the previous video we have learned to install the USB token driver and to download the Digital Signature Certificate. In this demonstration we'll guide you with the step-by-step procedure involved in downloading and importing the encryption certificate. Now we shall proceed to download encryption certificate into your USB token. Log in to our website www.t-emudhra.com. Under Download Certificate, click on EMClick and save the file on your preferred location. Double-click on emclick.exe. Mention the correct application number and challenge code shared to your registered mobile number. Click on Confirm. This will redirect to the new window to verify the applicant details. If the details are correct, click on Agree and download. Enter the new password without special characters of your choice on the dialog box. On successful download you will get the prompt to save the .pfx file. Save the file on your desired location. Now we shall learn to import the certificate to browser and USB token. To import the certificate to browser, double-click on .pfx file. On the certificate import wizard, click on Next, followed by Next. Mention the encryption certificate password which was created at the time of download and tick all the checkboxes below, followed by Next. Click on Next and Finish. You will be prompted with a dialog box, importing a new private exchange key. Click OK. The process of import certificate to the browser is completed. To import the certificate to the USB token, log in to ePass 2003 Token Manager. On the right-hand side, click on Import. Browse the encryption certificate file. Select the encryption file. Now click on Open. Enter encryption certificate password. Click on OK. Now the encryption certificate is successfully imported to the USB token. In this video we have learned about downloading and importing encryption certificate. Thank you for watching.